I'm going to show you how to make a sample beat in 5 simple steps inside Studio One. Let's get it. What's going on, people? Darkest Prod here, back with another video. Before we get started, I just want to say thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. At the time of filming this video, we're sitting at 291 subscribers. That's completely wild to me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. But yeah, with that being said, let's make a sample beat inside Studio One. Step 1, find a sample. Now to chop the sample, what you want to do first is you want to double click on the sample, change your quantize from 16th notes to quarter notes. Then you want to left click, go into events, select split at grid, push X to add a crossfade. Next you want to left click again, audio, select send a new impact. That's going to push it to impact. Then you want to hold down the shift key, select D#2. That's going to select all the samples. Then you want to select follow tempo and choke group, and you want to change that to 1 so that it cuts itself off every time the next one plays. Step 2, you want to make a drum loop. Step 3, you're going to want to chop it up. Step 4, additional instrumentation. I added this bass from Contact. It's the funk bass preset. These vocals from Arcade. Blue Bell preset from Analog 5. And of course, where this is a sample chill beat, you're going to want to add some sort of effects or some ambience around it. I chose rain and bird noises for this. Step 5, you want to arrange. And of course, the honorable mention, you want to mix and master. I usually mix throughout the whole process, and then I'll go back in and additionally change things. That's the end of the video. Thanks again for stopping by. I really appreciate it. We're sitting at 291 subscribers, fam, and that's crazy to me. I didn't think that anybody would be checking these videos out. We got a lot more content on the way, so go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.